Okay, so here's the story. All right, so we already know this is our bad faucet, and as you can kind of tell in there, it's old. All right, so what I had to do, let's see if we can find it, was I had to remove this thing to get to there. And of course, that's our pipe chase. Okay, so here we are. We got, the usual suspects here. That's what it looks like down there. I'm sure I can get the light, but anyway. All right. Let's go ahead and get down to this level. All right, so let me go ahead and unscrew that. Looks like you're calling, but I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna call you back here in a second. All right, so as you can see here, this is one fitting. Okay, try to angle up so you can see that. So that's one fitting, and it's held in by that copper clamp somehow, some way. So this goes underneath. Okay. So that's what I'm dealing with. I got one piece. I mean, it looks like it would unscrew right there, but there's nothing really to hold on to here. And it looks like it goes down into there, and I can kind of confirm that with this one. See if you can see that. But yeah, right there. See how that goes in? So that's all one piece. So I'm going to have to speculate, zoom, and yes, I did test out. But that thing there is all solid one piece. Okay. So that's what I had going, and I can't figure it out. That's why I just got to stop, and that's why I just got to stop.